we have 891 carrier briefs up next. So now that we have our kit, we're gonna go ahead and unload it from our bin. Making sure they're pretty even on either side. We're gonna do our zipper. A little finicky. Then trim off all the excess. Now we have the back of the bag with its pocket on. Right now, Emily is working on the gusset of the bag and Kate is working on binding the front of the bag. Now let's go look at what we've got left. Let's do straps right now. Okay, now we have our strap ready to go. Okay, and now it's ready to get the strap attached. This bag is outside bound on the back. We cut all the edges. Now we're ready for our, well, we call them flappies. I'm sure there is a more technical term for it. And now it's ready to go off to finishing for its rivets.